Right, today we're going to be riding the elevator at Oriental Place. We have a northern elevator with these ion fixtures. It's a generic one. Here's the cap. Floor. The Dover bus. Going up 29 floors. It's one of the tallest elevators in South Palm City, Robloxia. A big thank you to the operator for letting me film this hour, even though he's only here one day. But you can see this is a cab. This is the operator. And this is a fun elevator ride, actually. We're at Oriental Place. And this time, he actually said that 30 is unlocked, so we're going to get up to the 30th floor. And, I didn't actually know that there was a 30th floor in this place, so we're going to go up there. This is pretty much a nice elevator. It's a bit bumpy, but it's actually really nice. You're at the 30th floor. So, go up and you can see, look at this. Yep, that's all the way down to the first floor. I'm not usually an operator on this hour, but he was nice enough to let me ride this one. Although you don't need permission to film the elevators here, but it seems to be a very nice elevator at Oriental Place in Roblox. And I think we're going to actually stop on 3 because he actually pressed the door. We'll get off at 1. We're at 1, and you can look up here, that's all the way up, so watch the doors close on this 1 hour, watch it close. You see these unique orion buttons. Oh, he's opening it again. Here's the orion button. You can see it right there. So what the orion buttons look like. This is the outside of the elevator. And you can see it going up. And that's it.